Who are you?
Who am I? I'm Danny. I'm looking to rent some space in Brooklyn.
I don't have. So for what?
The coin laundromat.
Yeah, somebody take it.
You just rented it,
no.
or
Yeah, 2 months ago.
a brand new lease 2 months
Yeah,
ago? Are you the one that?
lease.
Dude, don't rush me off the phone. I have 36 coin laundromats in Connecticut, New York, New Jersey. Sorry we missed each other. When this guy fails and falls apart, I want you to call me so we can talk lease terms. If he doesn't retool it and put new equipment in, he's not going to do well. Do you handle the leases, or does someone else in your office do that?
I only have one store.
You only handle one store. Okay.
Yeah. All right. Okay. Thank
In
you.
a hurry to get me off the phone, you fucking piece of fucking sucker.
Really? Really?